things. I really forgot to record our adventures inside of Michael's, so I was like, you know what? I need to at least show them what we got. So, y'all, please do not judge. It was a necessity, okay? To me it was, okay? I didn't get one, but I got 2 planners. So what I got was from Recollections. I got the budget spiral planner, and I also got a menu keepsake planner. So we're gonna go, so we're gonna go through each one, and I'm gonna explain exactly why these are going to be my best friends for the next year. Let's start with the budget spiral planner. So as you can see, it's like a marble, a dark marble, light marble, and then like some kind of turquoise color, and then it's like, it's gold, y'all. Look at the spiral bound is gold, y'all. I love Recollections. It gives me Erin Condren vibes without being Erin Condren. Like, it's unique on the inside, but for some reason it just gives me the vibes of Erin Condren. But so let's get into it. Here I guess would be where you write your name. Of course, it's a 12-month planner. So this is the year in review. So you would put the month up here, and then you list whatever events you would like to list. Maybe major money events like major bills or major goals, or trips you might be saving for, stuff like that. Yearly savings goals. So here I guess is where you would break down what was on the previous page. So you would write down what the goal is in this green box here, the amount to save, the start date, and the end date. And then I guess you're giving yourself, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You have the whole year, and each month you're going to put exactly how much you dedicate to saving, maybe inside the circle, and how much you actually save down here. I don't know, that's just an idea. I have no clue how to use this, y'all. I am clearly winging it. On to the next page where you have a bill payment tracker. So you would list your months here, January through December, or whatever months you want to start to. It's like a running 12-month thing. And then you list the bills that you know, like these are your scheduled bills. And maybe it's a goal of yours to have something paid off by X, Y, and Z date. This is like another way of doing that. Or you could just keep track of, hey, am I paying my stuff on time? And this is a great bill payment tracker. Down here you have extra notes. Maybe you were late one month and you can explain to yourself for future reference why. Here you have a yearly finance calendar. Once again, sorry, yearly finance tracker. I could read. Just kidding. So here you would list the months, the total income, total expenses, and remaining balance. So this is pretty much your year at a glance. So your total yearly income, your total yearly expenses, and your total yearly balance. When I tell you this thing is thorough, it is thorough. So monthly budget goals. Here's where we break down month to month, and each month has its own little tab, which is not labeled. It actually comes with labels in the back. So here are the labels. I don't know, let me get this closer to you so you can see. Okay, so yeah, so these are the different months of the year, and you would just stick them onto these sticky tabs right here, and we Gucci. So you would put the name of a current month, and I just flipped to a random tab, I don't know. And you would have your starting balance for the month and your ending balance for the month. And in between, of course, these might not pertain to you. So you could white them out and write in your own thing, which is what I kind of like about this one, because it's like, it's not dual tone. They know that these might not pertain to you, but they're just giving ideas. So these are written on every single month, so there's no getting away with it. If you can't use it, just white it out and fill it in with your own thing. So if you have dance practice or something, like white out one of them and put dance practice, or disregard one of them, I don't know. So your goal description for the month, and once again, this is a monthly thing. You have your goal description, your goal date, the amount of money to save monthly, and the goal total. It kind of gives me these vibes over here in the beginning of when you had to set up your goal. Where the heck is it? Like, it's giving me this vibe, like you're supposed to transcribe whatever goal you're going for right here for this actual month. So you keep track of it. and it has 3 of them. So yeah, so I guess you could plan for 3 goals at a time each month, meanwhile doing it in the grand scale over here. I don't know. So your final balance in the gray is your final balance, and in the pink is your ending balance. So this is pretty thorough. Once again, you have your monthly view. You would decorate this, however, these are undated, so you would write your own dates and everything. And when you get to the actual weekly view, the first portion of every I don't think this is every week, it's the month. You have 10 ways to save today. So each month you're gonna give yourself 10 ways that you could save on XYZ to save some money in your bank. So here you would list 10 ways that you could save some coin, and I believe this is in every month, at the beginning of every month. Yeah, 10 ways to save at the beginning of every single month before you get into your weekly. So I think that's pretty cool to keep yourself fresh and up to date with ideas on how you can save money, which we could all use some ideas on how to save money. I don't care how much you make. So here's your weekly view, Monday through Sunday, and you would of course date it under here. And here, I'm not sure if this is like your expense tracker. Yeah, this is your expense tracker in the back. So what you would write in here, I'm not sure. Maybe you want to keep track of what you're spending here and then transcribe it here neatly at the end of the day or at the end of the week or the month or something like that. Because I know when I'm buying something, I don't be having time to be trying to fiddle this, that, and the third. Or it could also just be used as your regular planner, because I think it's kind of like they want it to be a catch-all, or at least be able to be a catch-all. I think that might have been the goal here. But this space here is really up to you how you want to use it. I don't know how I'm gonna use it yet, but I'm starting to get some juices are bubbling in my head. I don't know, the blood's flowing. I'm catching some ideas here. So here's your spending tracker. It's at the end of your weekly view. So you get 1, 2, and 3 pages of the spending tracker, which I think is a good amount. So I didn't even show you guys the freaking dashboards. I didn't even realize they all had different color dashboards. So let's go from the beginning. So this is the first one, the second one, you know, just getting an idea of the vibes of the planner. They're pretty basic, just colors, pastels, and some dark tones, some gradients, some polka dots. You get what I'm saying, watercolors. You get it. So each month is the same in the sense that it starts with a dashboard, then switches to your monthly bill and budgets. Then it starts with a dashboard, then switches to your budget and goals, your monthly view, 10 ways to save, your weekly, and then closing with your spending tracker. With your spending tracker has a total at the end, so you could keep track of how much you spend in every month. So now we're running to the end of the planner. So at the end of the planner, you have these notes pages, which most planners come with notes pages, so this is pretty normal. So you get actually several pages of notes, and then you get some free stickers. Damn, all those note pages, sheesh. Okay, so here's your months. Once again, you get some circles, some stars, some flags, some quotes. That's kind of cute. Okay, whatever. And that is it. Oh, this is cute, this little polka dot thing in here. And this is the back. So without me tearing this thing up, this is the front and this is the back. And so I believe, I can't even remember the deal we got on this. Let me look. So these were $6 off. I don't remember what the heck sale was going on or why we got $6 off. But I know it had to be epic because we went out and we got a second one. Now Kayla didn't get the exact same two I did. I think she got the Faith, and of course she got this one. I know for a fact she got this one because it was after she got one that I realized, hey, I need one too. And why do I need one? Well, because I'm starting my keto journey soon. And of course, if you are new here and don't know nothing about it, you might want to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell so you can be reminded anytime I post videos just like like this and just like my future keto videos. So this one, of course, also had the same deal where it was like $6 off. And although Kayla, she chose a different cover than mine, essentially both planners are the same. So this one I actually haven't opened up yet, and there's something just so freaking satisfying about like popping open a fresh, I don't know, something, anything, I don't care what it is, but I'm so excited. So this is like a farmer's market theme. It has a little creamy butter, open the day, fresh produce, fruit, vegetables, home pies and cakes for dessert. Just so cute and like, I don't know, unique. So this one has the gold coils just like the last one did, and the back is just another little cow. Aww. The insides, I didn't even show. I should give it to the other one too. It's like, it looks like chalk. You know how like in some farmhouse kitchens they have that chalk wall? That's what this looks like in here. It's giving me chalk wall vibes. And here, oh my gosh, this looks like one of those, that happy planner. I forgot which one. I don't know. I'll post a picture so you can see which one I'm talking about. But it's giving me that vibe. So from the kitchen of, and then you would put your name there. So starting off, you have your staples. I don't know what staples. See, here's how you know I need this printer, because I don't even have staples. Staple what? Staple meals? Staple what? I guess this would have to be meals, because it's a menu keepsake planner. Duh. So maybe I put my staple meals here. Easy dinner ideas, I guess, for lazy nights. 5 favorite meals of blank month. 5 favorite meals of blank month. So I guess after each month you would put what the 5 favorite meals were that month, the meals that you killed, and of course it's enough for the whole entire year. So getting directly into the menu planning, and this planner actually comes with written tabs. So the first tab is menu planning, the second one is inventory, and the third one is recipes. So the menu planning, and this will get repetitive of course after I show you the first little bit of it. So menu planning, Sunday the blah 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 blah. It doesn't say the, but you would put Sunday and then the date, because you know this is undated once again. So essentially I could skip a whole entire week, forget about it, and just continue by writing the date. And it says week of, and so you would put the week of and then the actual dates and stuff like that here. You could also put your shopping list here beforehand and then go shopping for that week. So essentially you have everything connected. Your menu planning and then what you need to shop for. Your menu planning and your shopping for. Menu planning, shopping list. So that's what your menu planning looks like. So let me go through the shopping list. So you have the produce, dairy, canned food, baked goods, packaged goods, meat, frozen, extras, household items, baking, and spices. So of course, once again, if this isn't something that fits into what you shop, if this isn't something that fits into what you do or how you shop, you can of course white it out, or there's actually a little zone right here where you could put in your own ideas or your own categories, like if you like electronics, or if there's like, I don't know, pet stuff that you want to just add just because you know this is your running shopping list. And even though you're not going to cook your pet food, clearly, right? It's just items that you need, like your household items. I don't know. Just ideas to throw out there. And each bar at the top, I think it's all the same colors. Like your weekly menu is green and your shopping list is like a red color. So going to inventory, because I don't think this changes. I think the last page, you just have a notes page here. And this is pretty cute. It has like, I don't know. I actually don't know what vibe this is giving me, but geez. Oh, that's cute. So here is what had me and Kayla going crazy. This pantry inventory. Because y'all know how hard it is to keep track of what you have and what you don't have. So this is what this whole entire section is for. Your pantry inventory, your fridge inventory, pantry inventories, and you could date them. You can do this weekly, bi-weekly. It's just, oh my gosh, how awesome. And what's great is that once you leave the store and you have a running list of your receipt, a running list of what you purchased on your receipt, you can even like maybe staple this or like transcribe the receipt onto here just to show what you have in your fridge and your pantry for that week. Like I said, it has the dates there. So oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into this, because I can't tell you how many times I have forgot I purchased something and then like that whole thing has just ultimately gone to waste. So going into the recipes, and this is the dashboard for recipes. Don't be afraid to make whisks. Okay, So recipes, of course, you put the name of the recipe, how many people it serves, the main ingredients, you list it here, level of difficulty, so cute, prep time, cooking time, temperature, and you serve it with what were your sides, and of course your family rating. How awesome is this? So I thought this was so freaking cute, and it comes with several of them. So for all those little recipes, you try off of Pinterest and off of, what was it, Tasty on Facebook, because oh my gosh, Tasty comes up with the best recipes, or at least they make it look good. I found a keto Tasty, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to try some of their recipes. Like, I'm really dying to try it. So this brings it to the end of the planner, where of course you get stickers, and the sticker colors coordinate with the planner, which is awesome, and they're already in the miniature size and perfect fit for the planners. I don't know what to do with myself with these planners. So now I hope you guys can understand why I had to get both, not one but two planners, y'all. Two unexpected planners. Not only were they on sale, they are ultimately like super duper duper cute. And let me let y'all see it one last time. They are so stinking cute. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to get started on both of them. This one I could start at any time, of course, but this one I think I need to be a little bit more calculated with it. I think I want to make it my 2019 budget planner. So yeah, they're both convenient. When I go to the grocery store, I could throw this into my bag. When I'm out and about, I could throw this into my bag. It could even go into my tiny bag. I have a tiny bag and a big bag. This could fit in my tiny bag. Both of them can. Actually, both of them together can. They are so stinking tiny, but so, I don't know, they're just big enough for me. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.